If your Zelle account has been restricted, you can appeal the decision by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant information regarding your account, including your account number, transaction history, and any communication you've had with Zelle or your bank regarding the restriction. Step 2. Contact customer support. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Submit an appeal. Follow the instructions provided by customer support to submit a formal appeal. This may involve filling out a form or sending an email detailing your case and why you believe the restriction should be lifted. Step 4. Be patient. After submitting your appeal, wait for a response. This process may take some time, so be patient and refrain from making multiple inquiries, as this could delay the process further. Step 5. Follow up. If you do not receive a response within the timeframe given by customer support, follow up politely to check on the status of your appeal. Ensure you have your reference number or any previous correspondence handy. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal your account restriction on Zelle. Good luck!